May I know your name and where do you stay in Bangalore, sir?
My name is Manish and I stay in Koramangala.
How old is your child?
About 3 years now.
What were you looking for your child?
Looking for a place where he can have fun, learn a few things, mix with friends, and also for a daycare facility.
Which other play schools or daycare did you consider?
I had a few options in my mind. He used to go to one of the other schools, but then there were a few of them in and around Koramangala.
Which one did you finally choose and why?
I chose TLC Koramangala. We chose it for the reason that some of our friends, kids used to go there, and we had very, very good reviews about it. So that was the reason why we chose this particular place.
How is your experience been with TLC Montessori?
Fantastic. And I think from the day that we came here, we saw all the teachers in a very, very jovial mood. They would welcome the kids. And then, my kid has been here for now almost 6 months. And I have seen great improvement in him. I think he enjoys coming here. I think it's been great.
Based on your experience, tell me 2 best things what you like about TLC Montessori.
I don't know if I can tell you 2 things, but I'll tell you what I like. The first is the management. I think extremely cooperative and happy management. They really care about the kids. I mean, their first primary focus is on kids. That's the first, but I really feel that way. The second thing is again about it's not about being commercial and everybody wanting to take a vacation. In my last daycare, I used to have an issue wherein at the slightest of happenings, they would say daycare is closed, and then we had to kind of struggle to kind of take day off and things like that. But these guys are absolutely professional, no offs whatsoever. Even if the school is off, they'll make sure the daycare is working. So that's really, really a big plus. Besides, as I said, the management is really good. The teachers are very good. They really take a lot of interest in kids, and I've seen some great improvement in my kid. The other aspect is it's not fully air conditioned. I never wanted my kid to be in a fully air conditioned environment. It has to be a place which is clean, but which is open to sunlight, which gets natural air. So they provide that stuff. Plus, they've got a good space outside in which kid can go outside and play, which was really, really important for me. So these are some of the things that I'm very happy about.
Anything that could be better?
Well, I want them to open a school in Whitefield since I'm going to move there. I don't want to leave the school.
On a scale of 1 to 5, how would you recommend TLC Montessori Koramangala to other parents?
Well, I think this is one of the best schools that I've seen. At least, I've been to 3 schools rather. And out of those 3 schools, this has been the best. Both me and my wife are very, very picky about the quality and a lot of other things. And this completely fits into our requirements. I'm very happy about it. I would really, really recommend it.
So what is the rating you use, sir?
It's full 5 out of 5.
Thank you so much, sir.